So guys, this is my test system right now. I recently took it apart to delid my CPU, my Intel Core i7-8086K. I wanted to make this video mostly because all videos on YouTube surrounding delidding CPUs, you notice a lot of those guys use liquid cooling or custom cooling on their CPUs, but I wanted to make this video to show you what happens when you put a delidded CPU on basically a Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo. This is not the Evo version, but it's a more fancier RGB version, but it's basically the same cooler. So I wanted to show you the temperatures, and yes, it is overclocked to 5 gigahertz across all cores. So just wanted to show you the CPU that I'm running. Now I'm going to show you i7-8086K. And you know, honestly, the temperatures are not too bad on this cooler. I'm actually very surprised that it's actually able to cool down the CPU with all cores running at 5,000 megahertz. I I think the highest spike was 91 degrees. Really, that's not, it's kind of hot. You definitely want a better cooler. But honestly, most of the time you're looking at around the 78, 75 degrees. It's bouncing around over the place. But, the point is, it does manage not to throttle. Now, as I move to this page, and as you can see, it's not throttling. So, yeah, it stays below that 100-degree mark. So it's not overheating. So, and the test has been going on almost 4 hours and 40 minutes. So I guess you could, if you really wanted to, run it with this cooler. I don't know if I'm not planning on keeping that cooler, but let me go back to show you the rest. Yeah, those are the clock speeds right now. Honestly, I'm pretty surprised with this cooler. I thought it would have been doing a lot worse. So yeah, I just wanted to share this on YouTube, trying to give you an idea what to expect from a delid CPU. And as you can tell, the cooling on it, it's much better on the CPU. And before the delid, I could never achieve a all-core overclock of 5,000 megahertz. It was almost impossible. Like 30 seconds into it, it was already overheating. And after the delid, it's technically possible. With these temperatures, it's not hitting that 100-degree mark. It's not going over. So it is possible. You could probably leave it on a cooler like this. I don't know if I would recommend it, but you could get away with it. Thank you for watching my video.